All right, we have so many wireless microphones that we can choose from. You got the Boya mic, you got Small Rig, you got DJI, you got Rode, Comica, Hollyland. You got so many different wireless microphones you can choose from. Are you just on your cell phone? Are you just doing TikTok and Instagram Reels? Are you on YouTube? Are you actually trying to produce real good audio on YouTube? Do you care about the audio? Well, I want to get another wireless microphone set, and it is the Neewer CM26 Pro. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video here. And there will be timestamps down below. We're going to be getting into the CM26 Pro by Neewer. Neewer did send this out to me. They actually liked my review and my take on the small rig over here and asked me if I would actually try theirs out. No money was exchanged. I'm not told what to say. I don't go by scripts. I wish I had another camera behind me because I read no scripts. I do more editing than anything because I refuse to go by a script. So once again, timestamps will be down below if you don't want to see the unboxing and anything else. Like I said, it is the Neewer CM26 Pro. We're gonna get 2 transmitter and 1 receiver charging case. Comes in a nice carrying bag. It's not very heavy, very nice small footprint. So we get a USB-A to USB-C. We get USB-C plug to USB-C, some type of adapter plug. And then of course this one right here is gonna be for Apple. Your Apple Lightning as well in here. You get us a little user guide right here, a little user manual right here. We get a couple of dead cats and magnets right here in these bags right here. It's nice to see everything goes in the case too. This is really, really nice to see everything in here. Oh, and then we get our TSR cable. This is for your mirrorless cameras. It is a DJI style microphone case right here. Nice USB-C charging. We got our 2 transmitters and our 1 receiver. Remember, there's these little plastics around everything. You need to pull those off or else it will not charge. So don't think you got a faulty unit. It is very small. So you got headphone monitoring, got your power, your mic mute, decibels, USB-C, and then out, and then on the actual microphone itself, again, pull off your stickers. I'm gonna take it that the M or whatever, I'm gonna take it that this is going to be for noise cancellation. You got your power button, and then of course your mic mute, and USB-C on this side. So if you just need to direct connect the USB-C, you can connect it here instead of just having everything in the case itself. Now that I have one out, let's go ahead and see how the dead cat fits on it. So it's just a little screw system, if you see right here. Literally this screws on, and then there is the dead cat right there, which of course is your wind filter. So I do like all these microphones that do have these magnet clips on them like this right here, and it's a pretty strong magnet. You put the magnet behind your shirt, and then you put your mic on this side of the shirt. That way you get all your audio. And what I really do also like right here is the lav. If you get a lav wire mic, which I'll show here in a little bit, you plug that into here, you can actually put this in your pocket and then have the lav come up through your shirt, and then you get a more hidden of a microphone. Putting it back in the case, you cannot put it in there with the magnet on it at all. The magnet does have to be off. I do like that you're able to see the top part of it while it's charging and doing stuff in the case. So you get to know if it's charging, if it's not charging. So as far as the receiver goes, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and plug this into here. And now you can put this into your phone, computer, or whatever you're doing. So if I was gonna plug this into my phone, I would go ahead and plug it in just like that right there. And now it is attached to my phone. And then of course the same thing if you have an Apple phone, you're gonna go ahead and click that and then put the lightning adapter onto your Apple phone. If you have mirrorless camera, you're just gonna go ahead and plug this into here and then plug this into your camera right here and then put that onto your cold shoe of your camera. All right, right now you're hearing me from the audio from the CM26 Pro by Neewer. And in the beginning of the video, you also heard this microphone as well. The unboxing was actually my Audio Technica, which is up here. The only thing that I have done at all with the audio is in DaVinci Resolve. I have it at a -14 for optimization for YouTube, so YouTube doesn't mess with the audio. That is it. This is raw audio, no EQs, no nothing. In the video, I was talking about that there's a spot for a lav mic. What a lav mic is this right here. This is a lav mic. And what a lav mic does, it allows me to plug in the lav mic like this right here. And now I can put this down here, clip this on my shirt, and I don't have a big old bulky microphone sitting here. And I love wireless microphone systems that actually have this ability to do this. So now this microphone has two AI features, AI1 and AI2. So on this side of the microphone, there is a M and a squiggly line for audio, which is the AI. If I tap it twice, I get a light blue. So now we're on AI noise cancellation 1. And this is what it sounds like. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. If I double tap it again, now it turns green, and now I'm on, AI noise cancellation 2, and this is what it sounds like. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Now this is a time in the video where we tell all our viewers, anybody watching the video, if you're getting any insight, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed. It helps the algorithm. I hate saying that, but at the same time, I like to get 100% honest reviews out there, and the only way to do that is to ask y'all kindly to give this video a like so the algorithm knows that, hey, look, people are like this. People like to see true, honest reviews, not just sponsored honest reviews. Again, yes, Neewer did send this out, but I'm not told what to say. I literally do not go by a script. I can't stand scripts, and I'm only out here to give honest opinions. If these companies won't allow me to do an honest opinion or an honest review, then I don't want their product. All products have something wrong with them. Okay, so now this is the audio going through my DJI Action 5 Pro. This is what it sounds like with no noise cancellation. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. How does it sound? Let's go ahead and this is AI noise cancellation 1. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. This is AI noise cancellation 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're back to no AI noise cancellation. This is a straight raw audio. Again, we got the wind, got the birds, got everything going on, but this is no noise cancellation. My back is going to be to you. I'm going to walk down here to the white car again, which is about 55, 65 foot, somewhere in there. Let's go down here. See if it's cutting out at all with my back to you. Mic check, Let's see if it cuts out. Okay, then I'll turn back around and see if it's connecting back, if it lost connection. So this is what it sounds like. Again, back here is roughly about 65 foot, somewhere in there, 55 to 65 foot. So how does it sound? Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right now you do hear me coming through an S24 Ultra, and this is what it sounds like with no noise cancellation. I'm gonna be doing a noise cancellation test here in just a sec with this little air blower right here. I'm actually gonna lay it over here for just a sec. I'm gonna walk about 55, I'm gonna walk to that white car, which is about 55 to 65 foot, somewhere in there. Okay, can you hear me with my back to you? Right now my back is to you. How does it sound with my back to you? Is it breaking in or out? So this white car right here is about 65 foot. How does it sound? Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Let me go ahead and walk back this way so we can see what it sounds like. Again, 60, 65 foot, somewhere in there. Each one of these squares is 6 foot, and there's, I don't know, 15 squares or something like that. But that's about what it sounds like. Again, there is no noise cancellation on at this point in time. So again, I'm going to use the air blower, and we're going to see how that noise cancellation works. Now I am on AI noise cancellation number 1. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fan. I'm going to blow it. How does it sound? Is it annoying? Hey, how did that sound? Did it block the noise? I do got weed eaters going on in the background. I got cars, wind. Let's go ahead and go to AI noise cancellation 2. Okay, so now I'm on AI noise cancellation 2. Let me go ahead and turn the blower back on. It's blowing around. Let's go ahead and turn around. How does it sound? Is it muffling it? Is it blocking it out? What is it doing? I'm just giving this the main case scenario of something, this brute force right here. How did it sound? Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Again, AI noise cancellation 2. Once again, now we have no AI noise cancellation whatsoever. This is what it sounds like with no noise AI cancellation. Go ahead and turn the fan on. Again, what it sounds like with no AI noise cancellation. Okay, so what do you think of the audio? I know my office has a little bit of echo. I'm still trying to figure out why, especially with as much soundproofing as I have in here. I have a crap ton of soundproofing. Maybe I gotta upgrade the soundproofing. I don't know. But you get the carrying case, you get everything in here with the carrying case. The microphone itself, I really do like. Now, one of my dilemmas that I'm having right now isn't the mic. The mic I think sounds really good. As far as any of these mics, I don't care which mic you have, any of these microphones, no offense to these companies, that noise cancellation to me is just god awful. I do not like the noise cancellation. I'd rather do noise cancellation in post edit and keep my raw audio where I need it, because not everything always needs noise cancellation to it. AI number 1 would be, to me, the most usable one for this microphone. So AI 2, in a sense, to me was a little unusable, had too many just draws into it, muddiness going into it. And again, AI 1 to me would be the best one. Me personally, I still like to use my AI in DaVinci, or in my editing programs that I use. But a lot of people don't like to mess with editing. They just want to run and gun, right? Just go out, film, and then put it onto Instagram, put it onto TikTok, wherever. And this microphone does really, really good at that. For the price point, it is perfect for what it does. Comes with everything you need for Apple or Android. It's gonna do my Apple phone, but unfortunately, something's wrong with the Apple phone. And that's the only Apple phone, and we only kept that one, and I can't do the Apple phone. So sorry for any of you Apple folks out there. Me personally, I think Neewer outdid the small rig. That's just me, and that's just my ear hearing it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, because obviously we're gonna have a comparison, and it's not gonna be all these microphones. It's literally gonna be the two underdogs right now, or lower end ones. You gotta remember, Neewer and Small Rig, they make stuff for like tripods and filming gear, not really microphones. So they're venturing in to other things, which is really nice to see these other companies do. Distance wise, I mean, even my back going all the way to that white car, which I think I remeasured it, it is actually 74 foot is what it is all the way to that car. It never cut out one time within that 74 foot. Me personally, I try to be realistic. Not too many people go that far away from their camera. I just do it just because people want to know how far these cameras can go. I'm just not going to go all the way to the stop sign or wherever, however far they say this microphone goes. Again, from my ear, from testing the small rig, I do like this. I do like the smallness of the small rig, but again, that's going to be for my comparison video. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you got a little bit of insight out of this. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. This is what I do. It's not just microphones. It could be down to this thing right here of reviewing. I just like to review products. I suffer on YouTube because I don't do a one niche channel. I do multi-niche where I review multiple products. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will be starting actually another one. I have a lot of products that go strictly on my Amazon storefront, and I have a lot of Amazon finds that I have on my Amazon storefront that I will actually, I'm fixing to start an Amazon series to my finds that I find on Amazon. And it can be from a ceiling fan to a light to a barn door to a weed eater. I don't care what it is. I like to review products. I'm Thomas Tomology. I'll catch you in the next one.